I like his style. Style ni Trump medyo bugoy kasi. Dapat mas magsalita medyo may doesn't really care if he pronounces his grammar or whatever, or his diction or his ideology. He's an all-American boy, and let's give it to him na ganun ang pagkatao niya. But we're friends. Hindi ko pa lang na I'm sure that yung linya na ngayon I cannot get through, but he knows that I was for him.
So
In my pronouncements dito sa Pilipinas, I was really saying that Trump ako.